Arnis. Say hi. Hello. Hello, everybody.
Our way to Balisong, Batangas.
There's our drivers. Hey, Jun. Hello. We got cargo. Alright, we're at my Tito Obe, my bodyguard. My bodyguard. And there's Pasha. Everybody. Sino sa loob? Okay, yeah.
That's very...
The LD. Margie. Si Harold.
Shout out!
Love once in
From the Mendoza Boxing
Mendoza
Club.
family and Mendoza Boxing Club.
Po, 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 po! Mendoza Boxing, baby, see?
Here,
There, Mendoza.
Here. Oh, pakita mo. No, pakita mo.
We're in Tagaytay. Go to the fruit market. Get some fruits. Got it all. Star apple. Fresh fruits. We're doing the fruits here. So it's a butterfly knife, cowbell horns. Got it from a guy over there. It's a bit stiff. Need some oil. Kind of sharp. Alright guys, we're here. Nasugbo. There's beach. There's a little water park going on. Nice, beautiful beachfront right there.